My name is Joe Lyon, and I work for a company called HMF Express. We're a manufacturing company of steel door frames and steel doors. I love the fact that being a welder, I'm able to be artistic with what I do, and at the end of my welding process, I love to look at what I've accomplished. When I was on the internet, me and my girlfriend were searching different schools, and we found that Community College of Philadelphia had a welding technology program. We did research and comparison to the other schools. The price was a lot cheaper than the other programs, which offered about the same amount of training. I only had to go to school for 3 months to be able to go right into the workforce and start making a decent living to be able to provide for my family. Some of the things that appealed to me about the program was the fact that the evening hours were amazing. It was jam-packed with information and schooling and hands-on. The teacher himself was an amazing person. He was very knowledgeable, was able to be one-on-one with you. If you had questions, he would go in the booth with you. The students were helping each other in the classroom too on top of it. So it was like a small family working together so we can all better ourselves to be able to have a career to do something that we really love. I would highly recommend Community College of Philadelphia's welding program to anybody that's looking for either a start in a career or to change careers. There's not enough welders out there, and there is an abundance of jobs out there for people who have the skill set to be able to be a welder, and it's a fun job. Fun.